Anna and the Brave Fighter. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green fields and tall mountains, lived a little girl named Anna. Anna was 8 years old, with bright blue eyes and curly brown hair. She loved to play outside and explore the beautiful countryside around her village. One sunny afternoon, Anna decided to go on an adventure. She packed a small bag with some bread, cheese, and an apple and set off into the woods. The birds were singing and the flowers were in full bloom. Anna skipped along the path, enjoying the warm sunshine and the fresh breeze. As she wandered deeper into the forest, she heard a strange noise. It sounded like someone crying for help. Anna's heart began to race. She followed the sound until she came to a clearing. There, lying on the ground, was a young man in armor. He looked hurt and very tired. "Hello," Anna called out softly. "Are you okay?" The young man opened his eyes and tried to sit up. "Please help me," he said weakly. "I am a fighter, and I was on a quest to save our kingdom from a terrible dragon. But I was injured and cannot continue." Anna felt a rush of excitement and worry. She had always dreamed of meeting a brave fighter and going on a grand adventure. But now, seeing the young man in pain, she knew she had to help him. "My name is Anna," she said. "I will help you. Let's get you to my village. We have a healer who can make you better." With great effort, Anna helped the fighter to his feet. He leaned on her for support as they made their way back to the village. The villagers were surprised to see Anna return with the wounded fighter, but they quickly took him to the healer's house. The healer, an elderly woman with kind eyes, examined the fighter's wounds. "He will need rest and good care," she said, "but he will recover." Anna visited the fighter every day, bringing him food and telling him stories to keep his spirits up. As he regained his strength, he told Anna about his quest. "My name is Eric," he said. "I was sent by the king to defeat a dragon that has been terrorizing our land. The dragon lives in a cave high up in the mountains. It is fierce and breathes fire, but I have sworn to protect our people." Anna listened with wide eyes. She wanted to help Eric on his quest, but she was just a little girl. What could she do? One evening, as Anna was leaving Eric's side, she saw a bright star twinkling in the sky. She made a wish. "I wish I could help Eric defeat the dragon and save our kingdom." The next morning, Anna woke up with a plan. She gathered some supplies and went to see Eric. "I have an idea," she said. "We can go to the old wise woman who lives in the mountains. She knows many things and might have a way to defeat the dragon." Eric agreed, and together they set off on their journey. The path was steep and rocky, but Anna and Eric were determined. After a long and tiring climb, they reached the wise woman's hut. The wise woman welcomed them with a smile. "I have been expecting you," she said. "I know of the dragon that you seek to defeat. It is a powerful creature, but there is a way to overcome it." Anna and Eric listened intently as the wise woman explained. The dragon's power comes from a magical stone hidden in its cave. If you can find the stone and destroy it, the dragon will be defeated. "But how can we do that?" Anna asked. "You will need courage, strength, and a special potion that I will give you," the wise woman replied. "The potion will protect you from the dragon's fire, but only for a short time. Use it wisely." The wise woman handed them a small vial filled with a glowing liquid. "Good luck," she said. "May your hearts be brave and your spirits strong." Anna and Eric thanked the wise woman and continued their journey. As they neared the dragon's cave, they could feel the heat from the dragon's fiery breath. Eric drank the potion and handed the vial to Anna. She took a sip, feeling a warm sensation spread through her body. They entered the cave cautiously. The dragon was there, its eyes glowing like embers. It roared and spewed flames, but the potion protected them. Eric and Anna searched the cave, and soon they found the magical stone. It was hidden behind a rock, glowing with a strange light. With all their strength, they smashed the stone. The dragon let out a terrible roar and then collapsed, its fire extinguished. Anna and Eric had done it. They had defeated the dragon and saved their kingdom. They returned to the village as heroes. The king himself came to thank them and held a grand celebration in their honor. Anna's wish had come true. She had gone on a grand adventure and helped a brave fighter save their kingdom. From that day on, she knew that with courage and determination, anything was possible. And so, Anna and Eric became legends in their village, inspiring many more stories of bravery and adventure. They remained friends for life, always ready to help others and protect their beloved land. The end.